Welcome to this week's session with the Putnam County District Library, Guiding Ohio Online Grant. This week we're taking a look at Fotor, which is actually, it creates and you can work with images and change backgrounds. We've looked at this before. However, they have added many new AI features that we're going to kind of explore a little bit today. So if I go to Fotor.com, Fotor, what you will see here is your photo editing tools. Now these photo editing tools are just like what we have seen before. However, if you notice here, along the left-hand column, they have several new AI tools that have been added. You can also see these across the center here with this bar that runs across the screen where you see the different images and different designs that have been can be created now. You'll also then see your recent projects. You'll see the ability to make posters, your Instagram posts, cards. It's a similar tool in some ways to Canva. So all of these are available. So if you are anyone that does anything with social media and you want to be able to quickly change anything with a logo, anything with your YouTube, so far, your Facebook post, any of that, those are right here available for you. And these are available as templates that you can simply click on. And if I were to click here on, for example, Happy Halloween, what I'm going to get is this card with a template where I can easily go in here and I can make some changes to the card if I were to choose to. So in other words, I can click here in the text box, and if I, for some reason, want to change this to the word, let's say happy instead of spooky, I can do that right here and customize it to how I would like to have it presented. So those are all the templates that are still available, and you still have all of this information here where you can add elements, you can add text, you can add images and photos, change backgrounds, and so forth. What I wanted to take a look at today, a little bit more specifically, I'm going to click here on download later because it is assuming everything that I work on that I do want to download it. And I'm going to say download later. Before I do click away, I do want to make note. Notice over here the watermark. That watermark is going to appear because I am not a paying subscriber. So I will have that unless I go up here to upgrade, where I could actually upgrade and actually purchase. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. The easiest way to go back is simply click on the icon here in the top corner. Again, I'm going to say download later, close this up. There we go. We are back here. Again, like I said, you can scroll across here what they're recommending you might want to try. However, if you want to just simply click at the AI tools, now you can see what else is available. Text to image, image to image, image extender, the AI avatar, the AI background generator. So what I'm going to click on here is I'm going to click on the background generator, for example. And when I click on that, what you'll see is you'll have your AI background, and then you'll have your what they call the BG remover. Notice what happens. Right now I'm on the AI background generator. If I click here on this BG remover, what you'll see is I've got a place here where I can upload my image. And when I do that, I'm going to simply go to this image I have that's of a camera. And it's going to bring my camera up. And then I have the option here where I can do different things. Notice it right away, it took my background, removed my background. I could simply make my background blur a certain color. I could then, if I wanted to pick something, I could pick and say, let's make this so that it's got kind of this blue background there. I could do the same thing. I could just continue. I could pick any of these that I want to pick. And then I can simply download this image. If I click on download, I got what would be a high definition image, or if I'm going to download a high definition, high definition image, it's going to, that's a paid version. But however, I got a preview image and I say download. Now I can see that image here. Drag this across. Now I have the image just in the preview mode. Bring it back across here. And now I have that image this way. So that's how I would get that image. Let's go back here. When I go back here to my AI images, what you're going to see is I've got my AI image, and I can move my camera around on the page. I can simply say, yep, I want to use water in the background, and I can say generate. I have to let it run here for a little bit. And when I've done that, what I've got going on here, let my image generate. I picked this one. The reason I'm doing this, I'm picking the background. I want this on a sand background. Notice what happened here to my credits. I went from 4 to 2. And that is because anytime I'm using AI, it is using up my credits. And I started off with 4, free credits. So if I download this image, which I'm not going to do, if I download this image, I now will have it in my nice little sane background, maybe someplace where we'd all like to be right now with the chilly weather. But I'm going to have that image with that same background, and I can then use that wherever I might want to. Same way here. Notice I clicked on the water. This one I had done in the past. This one obviously takes some time, and that's why you saw it spinning to generate. So now I have my actual phone that has been downloaded sitting in water. Probably not the best place for it to be. But again, it took my credits down to 2 because I am not purchasing, I am using the free. So if I'm going to want to do anything with AI using Fotor, it's going to require me to purchase more credits or only use what's available to me as free. I hope you found this helpful and useful. I find experimenting with any of these AI tools kind of can get you kind of carried away, and it's an interesting concept to be able to kind of play with and see what all you can do with images. I hope everyone has a fantastic week.